Okay, we have our head here. We got it all carved out, so what we're going to do now is we're going to work on the mouth. We're going to round it all down. So we're going to use our belt sander to round this down some, and then we'll go on. So you can see by using the belt sander we can get this all rounded down. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions, feel free to ask on my comment section, and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.